Hello everyone, welcome to my channel No UPSC. This is your day 10 or 60 days NCRT challenge. Today we are going to talk about our last part of PYQ's analysis of environment, ethics and other remaining subjects. Through PYQs, you will score better in your exams. PYQs help us identify important topics, repeated themes, question patterns, and UPSC's favorite areas. There is environment and ecology, ethics, integrity, and aptitude, science and technology, internal security, international relations, disaster management, governance and social justice, Indian society at last, current affairs, static plus dynamics. Environment and ecology you will find in GS paper 3. Ethics, integrity and aptitude you find it in GS paper 4. Science and technology again in GS paper 3. Internal and security, it is in GS paper 2. IR, it is also in GS paper 2. Disaster management, it is in GS paper 3. Governance and social justice, it is in our GS paper 2. Indian society is in GS paper 1. At last, current affairs you will find in every GS papers and in curriculums also. So today's task is analyze the last 10 years of PYQs of UPSC of only these subjects which are mentioned in this paper picture. So just analyze the paper plus have the notes on repetitive topics UPSC have asked in PYQ for these subjects in last 10 years. So identify frequent asked topics, understand the pattern, direct statement based, match and case studies. Note important keywords and concepts, static facts and concepts. Also learn about the maps and locations, environment, convention and agreements, case studies, current issues with backgrounds. The more you practice PYQ, the better you perform in UPSC. See you in day 11 or 60 days NCRT challenge. All the best.